Hi, Robert. I need to know when and how to use the expression, it is what it is. And could you give some examples, please? Thanks a lot, Robert. Richard, thank you so much for your question. And I can do both of those things for you. When we say this, we are trying to give someone a little bit of comfort in a way by offering them a different perspective on something that might be upsetting them or annoying them. We might even say it to ourselves to do the same thing, to change our perspective about something that's upsetting us, making us sad, making us angry, something that's affecting us negatively. Let's say I'm driving and I get a flat tire, and I also realize that my phone is dead. So my phone has run out of batteries, I have a flat tire, I'm stuck out in the middle of the road, and then it starts raining. Anyone would be upset by this because what am I gonna do, right? I'm going to have to somehow figure out what to do in the rain without a phone. Oh yeah, I forgot to mention, I don't have a spare tire, right? So I might get very upset, but then I might say to myself, it is what it is. That means that this thing has happened. Nothing's gonna change it. We can't go back through time. It is what it is. It's bad, that's true, but our reaction is not going to, a bad reaction, an upset reaction, a sad reaction is not going to make things better. So let's just accept that it is what it is and try to fix it with whatever strength we have. And if you've got an example of when we could use it is what it is, I'd love for you to write that in the chat as well. See if you understand. And if it seems like you're still not getting it, I'll chime in and I will try to give you a deeper explanation or at least some feedback on what you wrote.